Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a business trade license online. Obtaining a trade license is a crucial step for any business to operate legally within a municipal limit. This guide will help you navigate the online application process, ensuring you understand each stage. We will cover everything from initial preparation to final submission, making the journey straightforward and clear for you. Before starting your online application, it is vital to have all your documents ready. You will need identity and address proof for the owner, such as an Aadhaar card or passport. Business-related documents like your permanent account number or goods and services tax registration are also essential. Don't forget proof of your business location, like a utility bill, and any required no-objection certificates from departments like fire or pollution control. Clear, scanned copies are usually required for upload. The online application process typically begins with registering an account on your local municipal authority's website. Once logged in, locate the trade license section and proceed to fill out the detailed application form. Be meticulous when entering information about your business name, type, and owner details. Next, upload your prepared documents. Finally, you will be directed to pay the application fee, which can vary based on your business type and location, using secure online payment options. After completing the form and uploading documents, a thorough review is crucial to prevent delays. Once satisfied, submit your application and make sure to save the acknowledgement receipt with your unique application number. The municipal authority will then begin a verification process, which might involve a physical inspection of your business premises. Upon successful verification and approval, your trade license will typically be issued electronically, often within 10 to 15 business days, and sent to your registered email or available for download from the portal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.